After a long day of traveling or work, there's nothing better than to chill with some yoga. On a recent trip to Cap Cana, which is located in Punta Cana, the Dominican Republic, I had the opportunity to stay at Sanctuary Cap Cana. Now, Cap Cana is a part of Punta Cana. It is an exclusive real estate and hotel zone. So I can't think of a better place than to bring to you this 12-minute yoga sequence to chill. Start out at the front of a mat or even a towel. You're going to interlace your hands, let the arms extend up overhead. Relax your neck, bend those knees, dangle forward, and let all the stresses of your day go. Keep breathing deeply here, inhaling and exhaling. Inhale and exhale. In and release those hands. Inhale, find a long spine extending forward, heart forward, hips back. Take a deep breath in and exhale, fold your body forward. Now grab opposite elbows, moving side to side. Again, bent knees. Dangling forward, decompressing the spine. This should feel almost effortless. Move with the sound of the waves in the background. Sway. Maybe it gets a little bigger. Eventually, come all the way up to standing. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead, extend through the fingertips. You're going to interlace the hands, reach on up tall and side bend to the right. Really root down through your left foot here. Deep breath in and exhale. Keep breathing. And as we switch sides, lifting up and over to the left. Here, ground down through your right foot. Breathing in, breathing out. Make your way back up to center. Little back bend, lifting up through the chest. And exhale, folding all the way forward. Inhale, long spine. And exhale, step your left foot back, left knee down. We're lunging here, arms up overhead. First back bending. Keep lifting up through the chest. Breathe. And take your hands down. Finding a half split. Extend through your right leg. Curl those right toes up. We keep that flat back. Inhale, inhale. And exhale. There's space to fold, fold. And bend that right knee again. Hands come on down towards the floor. Come into a tabletop. Shift forward. Low push-up. Upward dog on the inhale. And stay here. We're going to linger a little bit. Wiggling side to side. Open up those hip flexors. Breathing into your body. And when you're ready, press back. Tabletop position. Child's pose. Breathe for a moment, grounding, letting your forehead relax. And as your way back up, tabletop position. Step your left foot forward now in a low lunge, arms up overhead. And just like before, stay here. Back bending, breathing, at any space you want. Inhale. And when you're ready, come into the half split other side. Extend the left leg, curl the toes up. Inhale, long spine. And exhale, folding forward when you're ready. Breathe in and out. You're going to turn to the long edge of your mat, toes in, heels out, and twisting. Left hand grounds, right arm extends up overhead. Try and keep your hips level here, and let the twist come from the core. Switch sides, right hand grounds, left arm up. Breathing. And lower the left hand down towards the floor, long spine inhale, and let's fold through center. Maybe the hands ground. Maybe you walk your hands back a little bit. Just breathe here, rooting through the balls of your feet, engaging the quads, opening up the hamstrings. Inhale, rise up all the way, arms extend long and wide. And as you look forward to the front of your mat, step your right foot up to meet the left. Ground down through your feet once again. Adjust if you need to. And as we continue to flow, take a standing back bend. Inhale, lift up tall through the chest, leaning up and back. Deep breath in. Grounding, exhale. Reach the arms long and wide. Exhale, fold all the way back down. Inhale, long spine. And exhale, folding in. Lengthen and step the left foot back. Then rise to a high lunge. Reach the arms up overhead. Press through the ball of your left foot, charging back. We're going to side bend. Lifting up and over to the right. Deep breath into your left lungs. Inhale back to center. And exhale, lower the hands down towards the floor. Step back, downward facing dog. Inhale to a plank. And exhale, low push-up. Upward dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale when you're ready. Lift the right leg, inhale. Step the right foot outside the right hand. We're going to twist. Right hand inside the right knee. Look over your right shoulder. See that left leg is energized, pressing back. Both hands plant back down, and we transition into a pigeon pose. Okay, so as the right knee tracks forward, no pain in the right knee. And you stay upright in a pigeon. And you start to work your way down towards the forearms. Well, there's a lot of variations in pigeon pose. I'll let you choose which one works best for you. But feel free to move or adjust as you need to. Right, even in still postures, it's always a journey of constant movement, at least with breathing. Once again, any variations you like. This one's a quad stretch. Maybe you take more of a back bend. The yoga practice is to explore you. I'm going to ground the palms back down. Step the right foot outside the right hand once again, and the left foot outside the left hand. Let's come into Malasana, prayer squat. This one's important to keep the spine extended. Don't worry if your heels pop up. Don't even consider you have to extend all the way down. Eventually, bent knees, roll your way all the way up to standing. And let's do the other side. Inhale, arms reach up. Again, back bending. And exhale, forward fold all the way. Inhale, extending forward. Step the right foot back, high lunge. Arms reach up overhead. Side bending, grab the right wrist, lift up and over to the left now. Deep breath into your right lungs. Deep breath in. And long breath out. Inhale. And exhale. And lower the hands down towards the floor. Step back, downward facing dog. Inhale to a plank. Low push up, exhale. Upward dog on your inhale. And downward facing dog, exhale. Left foot steps outside the left hand. Let's take it into that twist. Left hand inside the knee. And looking over the left shoulder. Right, strong, engaged right leg. Lower the left hand back down towards the floor. Here we transition into pigeon. And take your time with this one, setting up, getting adjusted to feel the outer left hip. And see that your right thigh is wrapped down towards the floor. And again, those options, stay upright, you can fold, take a quad stretch, back bend, whatever your body needs. Come on to a seated position. We're going to side bend. Right forearm comes down, left arm reaches up overhead. Try and keep your left sit bone connected to the floor here. It's going to want to pop up, so keep it grounded. And then simply switch sides. Extend the left leg, right knee bends, and you reach up and overhead with the right hand now. Back through center. Let's take the soles of the feet together, Baddha Konasana. Press the feet together, extend the energy out through the knees, keeping a long spine, either stay upright or full. Inhale, come on back on up. Find a comfortable seated position. You're going to twist to the left. I like to use the compression of my knee here, just to aid, assist, and then switch sides. Twist to the right. Coming back through center. Take a moment to breathe, to ground. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Thanking yourself for making this time here on your mat to ground, to recharge, to re-energize. Don't forget, while you're here, subscribe to my channel, Live Free TV, for more yoga, travel, wellness. On that note, peace out until the next destination and location.